Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your iPhone time display larger. First, let's explore accessibility zoom. This feature offers a quick, temporary way to magnify your screen. Simply triple tap with 3 fingers to activate or deactivate it. Once active, you can use the on-screen slider to adjust the zoom level, making the time and everything else much easier to see instantly. It's a handy trick for a quick glance. Next, for more consistent change, you can adjust your iPhone's display zoom. Head into your settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down to find the Display Zoom section and select View. Here, you'll have the option to choose Zoomed instead of Standard. This will make all elements on your screen, including the time in the status bar and on widgets, appear larger and more prominent, improving overall readability. Another effective method is to increase the overall text size on your iPhone. Open Settings, then go to Accessibility and select Display and Text Size. You'll see a slider for text size. For even more options, toggle Larger Text on. Now, drag the slider to your desired size. This will enlarge text across many apps and system interfaces, including the time displayed in various contexts, making it much clearer. Finally, to further enhance readability, consider enabling bold text. Within the same display and text size settings, simply toggle on the bold text option. This makes all text on your iPhone, including the time, appear thicker and more defined, which can significantly improve its visibility, especially for those with visual impairments. Combining this with increased text size or display zoom offers the best results for a clear time display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.